Welcome, Max Cards here. Got the special gloves on for a special box. Connorbedard hunting. Future Watch. 2324 SP Authentic. Gotta leak at least one iconic Future Watch rookie card per box. Note, it could be a retro Future Watch auto, either numbered 499 or 699. There's also bounties, which nobody cares about. Spectrum FX. Unless it's Bedard, but I'm pretty sure everybody has already finished it. We're looking for this guy. This box costs $400 Canadian. There we go. Alright, got the wrapper off. There we go. There is 10 packs per box, 9 card per pack. Alright, so let's get the packs out. Put the box in the back. Sure there's no glare. And let's see. Get out of these packs. I'm gonna keep these two. That. Let's start with this stack. First pack. These packs have gone down in price. So what do we have now for? So this is the base cards, and of course, it's Laffy as the first card, which is really nice. We'll put that in the back. Got Jacob Markstrom, Troteri in the back, Sorokin, Jacob Markstrom, Darat, Brad Marchand. Oh, we have a Future Watch auto. We have our first Future Watch auto. We're going to keep that for last. I know it's a little toxic to do that, but for the price, we're going to do it. So we got a pageantry, yeah. David Jiracek. We got a freshman focus of Cole Gutman, Connor Bedard's friend. Matthew Kessel, pageantry rookie. And a Vincent Desharnais Future Watch red. And then Kadri, Barkov, and Pasta. Next pack. Michelli, Kuznetsov, Shesterkin, and Pavel Mintikov, Spectrum FX. It doesn't really tell you the level now. It's just Spectrum FX. A Connor McDavid Collaborations, SB, and a Ryan Getzlaf pageantry. Oh, and a Future Watch red of William Dufour, Marchessault, and Horvat. Next back. Oh, so we got some green. And McKinnon, Zegras, McTavish, Leo Carlson. A green card. Cale Makar, Dylan Cousins, Matthew Tkachuk, and Cal Connor. And we got a green card. Hollow foil green of Jason Robinson. 1 in 10, so it's 1 in each box. For sure, that's what it says. I'll put it up right here. What we have here? Got Kirby Doc. You got a concussion. Perfetti. Tkachuk. We got a Alex Tuck. Evolve. Minnesota, Vegas, and Buffalo. We got a Thomas Hurdle Spectrum. And Oli Eriksson, Future Watch red. Tavares, Chevikov, and Teravainen. There's another one of Bedard's new teammate, Teravainen. We got Nuge, Norris, Suzuki. We got Stouffville, Future Watch, Spectrum effects, lots of spectrums. Fraser Mitten, Mort Sider Red, Reinhardt, Kopitar, and Yossi. Alright, next pack. We got 4 packs left. And possibly our Future Watch auto. Ehlers, Jari, Pinto, collaboration of Hurdle and Eklund, pageantry of Logan Thomas, and Ravi Gervanti, Future Watch Red, Chandler Stevenson, Cates, and Byram. Alright, third last pack. Brendan Gallagher. There we go. Recently announced that he's going to have a kid. Congratulations. Barzell, Dreisaitl, Swayman. Looks like we got a... Is that a black? Looks like a Connor McDavid Evolve. Looks like a black, but it's pretty cool. Connor McDavid Evolve. We'll go on my PC. They're not Durando, Pageantry, and a Barkov Red with a Saros, Marner, and Gallagher. He's been on the team forever, it seems. He kind of quieted down. He was good at the start of the season. Really good. Alright, got Connor McDavid. There you go. Base. We got Patrick Laine. Talking about a guy who's 6 goals in 7 games for the Habs. Point. Connorbedard. Freshman focus. There we go. Connorbedard. Connorbedard rookie. We'll go next to Laffy. Pageantry of Jari. Pasta Red. Makar, Sider, and Grubauer. So we got, I guess, the auto. The other auto is in the air. Yeah, it looks like we got a retro. Austin Matthews, Robert Thomas, Joel Eriksson, Ty Cartray, Kirby Doc Red, Tuck, Vasilevsky, and Slavkovsky. And we got some kind of sign of the times. Michael Backlund. Is he even still in the league? Future Watch Red of Hugh McGinn. Turn out the spoiler. Tim Larkin, collaborations. That is blue. Not numbered. And we got, you watch blue, Levi, 63, Isaac Rosen. Don't know much about him, but know that his auto is pretty bad. Isaac Rosen. So that makes it a pretty dud box right there. 2 autos. At least we got a Future Watch auto. We got a Bedsy. These are our pulls. We got a hollow foil green, which are probably the best pull of the box. And we got a Connorbedard rookie. So we could say we got pulled a Connorbedard. See you tomorrow.